Hey, thanks for joining me today. Today we're going to walk around the 2025 Mohican Winterfest. It's located in Loudonville, Ohio, which is right on the border of Ashland County and Holmes County, to the west end of Holmes County. This video is less than 5 minutes, but really is jam-packed with a lot of beautiful ice carvings for you to enjoy. Loudonville is home to a lot of different canoe liveries and camping, family events. Also, the Mohican Forest is there, which has a lot of hiking trails, biking trails, horse trails, fire tower. They also have a covered bridge and just some waterfalls. Very nice family-oriented place. And the downtown is a historic area. It's very picturesque, and we will be looking at Loudonville and the different activities around it in later videos. So walk along with me. We'll take a look at all the different ice carvings. There were different ice carvers that made these that are very skilled, and they're very beautiful. So enjoy the time, enjoy the ice carvings, and thanks for joining me today. Hey, thanks for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed the ice carvings. Make sure you subscribe so you can know when the next videos come out, which are going to be quite often. And if you've already subscribed, thank you very much, because I really appreciate that. Here's a couple more videos that's in the collection for you to enjoy. Have a great day.